Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we're making a card. So let's say you have a stamp like this. What to do with it? I'm gonna give you an idea. In the back here I have examples, but I just press these down with hands so they look a little bit wonky. I'm gonna be using these mainly, and then we'll create a beautiful card. Very elegant and pretty simple. Okay, so the first thing I need is my cardstock, my bone, to make sure it's nice and sharp on the edge. This will be my background, but it's too big. So I got this cutting board. This is from Joann's, and first I'm just gonna try to cut this so it's at least straight. I'm gonna use the help of this, create a straight line on this side. About there. And then from this, it's easy. You just align this right here, move one over. I think that'll be a good size. We'll see. And then this one, this side too. Make sure it's straight. And here we have a perfect straight square for our card. Okay, I need to cut off a little bit more from this side. Alright, we got a nice, perfectly fitting square. Now, Misty. So what I'm gonna do with these stamps is I'm kind of gonna create a border and then heat emboss it. First, clean this off with the dusting bag. This will help it to have a straight lines and not pick up any additional embossing powder. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is place these flowers just here and there. The big one's gonna go over here, this one over here, other little things like this, because it kind of has a corner-ish side. So if I put it like this, it will show a little bit of the leaves and the flower, and also a leaf over here, or maybe like this. I'll lock this down, make sure the paper doesn't move. Ooh, nice. And then in going with the Versamark glue. And then press this down. You make sure all the details are seen, and it will be a beautiful card. Yeah, you can kind of see it, but just to be safe, I'm gonna go over it one more time. Okay. Perfect. For this, I'm gonna use silver embossing powder because I think it will match very nicely with the paper background color. And I cannot find my craft spoon, so I'm using a teaspoon to put the powder over it. So just let it slide. That looks good. Looks sharp. Going over this leaf. Very nice. And just let it slide. And the third flower. If you see any unwanted dust, you can easily remove that with a paintbrush. Alright, going with my heat gun. First, I'm gonna heat it up on the back, and then I'll start heating it in the front. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Alright, I'm gonna let that cool down and get my Misty back. Now, to do the sentiment, which will be the same color, dust it. And I will be using the sentiment, Congratulations. Might hold it down and making sure it is straight. I'm gonna press it down twice. And then back with my silver. Hold it up with the tool and just let this slide. Tap, 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 tap. Looks good. Hold it with my tool. And then first I'm gonna heat the back and then the front. Alright, this I'm gonna glue into a little bigger white piece, and I want it's a little crooked, so I want the edges to stick very well. I'm using my art glitter dries clear adhesive glue because I really want to get these edges. This glue is so strong you only need a tiny little bit of it. Nice. This, I'm actually gonna do some foam on the back. I got these 3 really good foam pop dot tape from Dollar Tree. So that was a good purchase. I'm gonna need 2 of this length and then put one on the top and the other one on the bottom. Remove this and this, and now let's see where I want to position. I feel like I'm covering a little bit too much of the leaf. I want it to show slightly on the back. Oh, this is hard. Alright, so it's not in the middle, it's a little above the middle. And this one goes right in the middle. And here is the card, the close-up. Came out very nice, very elegant, and I think I gave you a good idea what to do with stamps. You can create your own background, just arranging them all over the place, kind of like in the border, and then leave the middle part empty if you want to put a sentiment right there. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. I think it came out great. I will see you guys in the next video.